In this class, we will discuss about what is open set and what is meant by convergence. So you can see the definition of open set here. So I will explain now what is open set. Let X D be a metric space. Then I am considering the set X. I am considering the set X and A. A is subset of X and it will be like this. Here A. Then this A is said to be an open set of the metric space this. That means a subset A of X is said to be an open in the metric space XD. In the metric space XD if there exists an open ball, B R of X naught for X element of A. That means in this there are many points. Okay. For any point in this A, there exists an open ball. If I am considering this as X, we can construct an open ball here. Or we cannot consider an open ball here like this. Because why? Suppose this is R and this is X naught. Distance between this point and this point is greater than R. So we cannot construct such open ball. But this here we can construct a open ball. Only thing, there exists an open ball. It can be 1 or 2 or 3 etc. But 1 is must. Okay. That is open ball. So a subset A of X is said to be open in the metric space FD. If for all X element of A there exists an open ball denoted by this is contained in A. Okay. Then next one, convergence. Suppose convergence in metric space. Convergence in metric space. Let X be the set. Let X be set. Okay. Then here there are many points. X1, X2, etc. And these points converging to, suppose this point Y. Let the sequence xn, x1, x2, x3, etc. xn converges to a point Y, converges to this point Y if and only if. That means this is a sequence and the sequence converges to Y if and only the open set containing Y. This is an open set containing Y and this is an open set containing Y. Consider any open set containing Y. If I am considering this open set containing Y, the open set must contain the elements of the sequence. That means the open set must contain some Xi's and it has some condition that for all n greater than or equal to capital N. So these are xn equal 1, xn equal 2, like this. So if the open set, if we consider a open set containing Y, it contains some elements of the sequence xn and it has which all elements need to contain? All the elements greater than or equal to capital N and capital N be a positive positive integer. Okay, that is here defined. A sequence capital Xn in a matrix space X denoted by this way is said to be convergent to a point Y if for all open set U containing Y, there X is positive integer n such that Xn element of U, open set is denoted by U, for all n greater than or equal to n. Every open set containing Y contains the elements of the sequence, and the particularity is that for all n greater than or equal to n, such extents must be contained in all open sets containing Y. Thank you.